Hello everyone! Today we are back in Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Mutants in Manhattan once more. This is a game for the PS4. Last episode we did a tutorial, and as always, it's the gamer here. So today we're going to be doing story mode, since we've already done the tutorial last episode. So let's get straight into it. Oh goodness. I have to cut that out. Oh, character Leonardo, I can change that. Raphael, Michelangelo, Donatello. I like Leonardo. So, turtle loadout. So that says, I don't know what that means. In turtle loadout, you can acquire and upgrade ninjutsu and upgrade eyes. Since I don't have any real stuff, can I really do anything? Let's see how much I have even. I don't think I have anything. I don't know what to do. Let's just go back and stage, keep on that, and let's start.
Okay, let's go everyone.
Whatever you say. Now, let's get TCRI, which I don't know what it is, and I think I'm going to start to be quiet now because there might be some dialogue.
You came. Yes.
But I'm not shaking.
Have I ever done otherwise, General Krang?
You should know by now, I plan for all contingencies, Shredder. Can I assume that you are prepared for what comes next?
Stop shaking my remote, please.
Order, General.
Excellent. Shall we begin, then?
He's gonna jump off that building. This is totally what it looks like. And those look like mummies. And why isn't there anybody in the streets of New York? Why? That's...
Really bad. I've never seen anything like it. It's the same thing all over the city. Crime levels are spiking like crazy.
It would appear our old adversaries are once again engaged in...
There's the rat that I showed in the last video.
That's how I describe something this ambitious, Father.
You are right, Donatello. Whatever their motive, we are honor-bound to intercede, my sons. But we must do so with the utmost caution. As always, our enemies remain dangerous and unpredictable.
Yeah, well, they ain't the only ones. Speaking of unpredictable, where's Mikey?
Dude, just found some leftover pie in the fridge that I am honor-bound to scarf down before we head out.
Honor-bound? Oh, for crying out... It's just pizza, Mike. Let's go!
Such noble pepperoni, such moral mozzarella.
Oh gosh, this guy loves pizza. Wait a minute, if I went back...
Dudes, check it out.
Dudes.
Foot.
It's the
What
foot?
the heck are those foot losers doing here? Last
What?
I checked, this was those purple dragon losers' turf.
Losers.
As much as I prefer to use my head, my gut's screaming that this is just a precursor to something larger.
And my gut's screaming that it's time for an extra large with anchovies and sausage.
Nope.
Forget it, Mikey. We need to find out what the foot are up to. Let's move.
Maybe just anchovies?
Come on. Stop thinking about pizza for once in your life.
Guys, can you hear me? Apparently Bebop is planning something big, and whatever it is, it can't be good.
Something big, you say. Alright, so... Defeat all enemies. Caution, caution, caution. Defeat all enemies. Alright, let's do it. Wait, where are you heading for? Pick up.
I picked up the next reading on the radar.
And I'm going frozen again. S. What does S stand for? Super? Behind me? Which way? Oh, there it is. Kinda want to take that in. So he doesn't know where I am yet. But he will soon. Take down. Oh!
I'm picking up a huge swarm of bad guys. Be careful out there.
Where? Well, that way all around. How has he not noticed me yet, is my question. Which way? So only this way. There we go. Blow up. Oh, you climbed that building without me? Apparently so. So that guy's right over there. Oh, there's a guy over there in that building. Oh, he's gonna climb the wall? Can he climb the wall? Oh goodness! Oh goodness! Okay, go on, get up, get up, get up. Oh goodness. Oh gosh! Rapid fire on that. Okay, let's do this. Tail time! I'm making it all like slow motion and stuff. Oh, that's okay. And I shot the camera, didn't I? Oh, there they are. He immediately noticed me as soon as he spawned, really.
Let's go!
Not really a warp, but I guess it works. Ooh, what the? I don't know why. Oh gosh, get out, get out, get out, get out. Oh, I thought I died or something. I was like, oh gosh. Well, I'm not gonna use it for one. Bye. So now let's get up there. I got a scroll. Completed. S again, and I keep shaking the camera. Stop shaking the camera, me. Here we go. Go all out.
I think it's time for a breather, guys. Drop by the lair anytime you want.
Drop by the lair anytime you want. What does that mean? Whoa!
I think I've located some enemy hideouts. Go check them out.
People are dying up and over. Oh, I missed! Even. Look for where the enemy is hiding. Oh, oh. There we go. How does he not notice me?
It's an enemy helicopter. They're scanning the ground from up there, so be careful.
Glass. Cut him out. Keep climbing though. Over down there. Oh goodness! So you don't just... Oh, here we go. There we go, look at this, we had super ninjas. You don't even have a chance to hit me. Oh, I see that. Here we go, here we go, here we go, let's go up here. You there. Oh, yeah! Oh, oh goodness. And combos. 29 hits. And I finished. Find out where the enemy's hiding. What does that mean? Oh. Did he die? He should have died. Oh, where did he go? Whoa, 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 kill him. Where's the tea glass? And where's all of the enemies? They're all over there. So, let's go! Warp dash, which was completely useless. Clear out the hideouts. What does that mean? Clear out the hideout. Oh. Whoa. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, the helicopter.
Oh no, Donnie got caught. You gotta use your brain and your eyes, Donnie.
Donnie? Oh goodness.
Some ninjas you guys are. Well, you're gonna have to deal with an extra angry mob now.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Turn. I'm gonna give him a command. Signal. Status. Struct. What does it do? To me. Oh, you're true there, so. Oh! There we go. So, I don't know how long the helicopter, I don't know what it is now. Seems to be gone. Oop. There we go, this way. I'm gonna tell them to come this way. Struct. Follow. So they're all following me. Follow? They're following. Okay. So acquire my tea glass is right over there. Indication, respond, signal.
Over there!
Not over there, but over here.
Bullseye! Yeah, that felt good.
Hideout cleared. Just going to clear another hideout. Leave the hideout. Now they tell them to follow me. Ooh!
Follow me! Okay.
Ooh!
Let's go!
Oh, he's dead. So now, where's the other one? It's this way. Hurry! Follow me! Aren't they following me? Yeah, follow me. Okay. So the hideout is this way. Way over there. They're in that building, I see. They're following you. Definitely. Oh, they're definitely here. One guy doesn't even know I'm here yet. Oh no, none of them know I'm here yet.
Too easy! Bullseye! Yeah, should've stayed home, Buster.
Completed. Clear out the hideouts, rank B. Of course it's B. So leave the hideout. And what now? Reach B-Hop's locations at the bank.
We should get back to the lair and stock up on items soon. Guys, with all the info we've gathered, I've been able to pinpoint Bebop's T-glass.
T-glass, okay, this way. Hurry. I have to end this video soon enough. I'm gonna tell them right now. Respond. Signal. Wait a minute, T-glass. I definitely went in the...
Let's go.
Oh, that's a really good item. Don't drop it on the way home, okay? Make sure you're ready for anything. Don't get caught off guard.
Alright. Let's do this. It's loading still. There we go. I'm inside the bank vault. Warning. Oh! It's like a big hog with a chainsaw. Oh goodness! Smash him. Well, you have a chainsaw. You're not the Hulk. You have a chainsaw. Buses are very powerful. Use the lock-on feature to carefully observe their movements and make sure you can dodge the attack whenever you can. Switch frequently between turtles in order to make effective use of the ninjutsu at your disposal. If you have all above in mind, no one will be able to stop you.
Guys, if Bebop is trying to break into the safe, does that make this, piggy bank?
Yo, can you talk to this guy? Guess he's trying to bring home the bacon, huh?
Whoa, wait, I missed. Where'd he go? Whoa, what's going on? Don't know where he is, I lost him. He's like manning a machine gun or something. Total time.
Let's go!
I'm gonna smash your faces in.
Let's go!
Well, I kind of missed that. So, stealth mode.
Felt good.
Whoa, I'm on the walls.
Yeah, everything's upside down.
Help? Oh, he flipped him. I'm like, wait, what?
Shell shock.
Help. Happen again. Oh, TNT! Oh, goodness. Oh, gosh. You guys good with a turbo move.
I can't move my limbs. Let's go. Bring it.
It's go time.
Bring it like the bell.
Oh!
Oh man, brain drain.
I don't want to do that.
Tony's been knocked out. You're gonna have to pull through with just the three of you.
Whoa. What am I doing? Telling her? No. So Donnie's been knocked out now. See Mikey.
Bad day to mess with me.
It's go time.
Oh goodness.
Total bummer.
So shocked. No! Help! Thank
Together.
I'm just feeling lonely, Zuck.
That's a thing that just happened.
Oh, come on, help.
Together.
Wait, don't tell us back?
I owe you a slice.
Rough.
Well, that's a thing that just happened.
Let me be rough. Let me be rough. I mean, no, help.
And break. Pull yourself together. Oh, yes, sir. I am not in the mood for games. Let's go! What's this, team? Let's go! Let's go! See ya! Yeah, everything's upside down!
Back to Leo.
Mr. Nice Turtle. Oh man, brain drain.
Shell shocked.
Leo's been knocked out. You're gonna have to pull through with just the three of you.
Total bummer.
Snap out of it.
Better late than never, dude.
Back to the drawing board. I am not in the mood for games. Bring it. Ring it like the bell.
Leo's been knocked out. You're down to 2. This isn't looking good.
Why does the world keep spinning?
Okay.
You got this, bro.
Hey, even us brainiacs need a little assist sometimes. Back to the drawing board. Get yourself together. That was close. Let's go get him, guys.
For the humanity.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm fucking this. I can't move my limbs.
You got this, bro.
Yeah, everything's upside down.
You got this, bro.
You sure took your time. I don't feel so well.
Hey, Bunchy.
Oh yeah.
Mission complete. Well done, guys.
There we go. That's level complete, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed.
My teachings have stuck.
Oh,
You green dweebs think you got the best of old Bebop, do you? Well, you're all wrong. Cause Bebop's the best there is!
oh goodness.
And that little piggy ran way.
All the way home. Yeah, but he dropped something on the way. What is it, Don? Cash, and lots of it. But why rob a bank just to leave the money behind?
Yeah, no kidding. Imagine what someone could do with all that loot.
Hello? Rupert's Pizzeria? Yeah. I'd like to order 2,000 extra large cheese and pepperoni specials and 5,000 orders of breadsticks for pickup, please. Never mind, dude. Wrong number.
Nice ending. I thought that was pretty fun. Oh.
You were right, Sensei. The Foot are involved in the crime spike. We ran into them right here. Not exactly where we normally expect to find them operating.
There's nothing normal about this, Leo.
Yeah, we're picking up reports from all over the city. It's crazy up there.
Crazier than normal, you mean? Yo, Mikey, that pizza almost warmed up or what? Come on. Ain't like we got all stinking night.
Patience, dude. Wise men say, you can't rush perfection.
It's a microwave, dweeb.
If Shredder is indeed initiating a full-scale assault against the city, we are already at a disadvantage. We must meet his overwhelming numbers with stealth and cunning.
And we're gonna have to dig deeper to find out exactly what we're up against.
Yeah, dig deeper and hit harder.
Speaking of digging in, here it is. Nuked for our noshing nourishment.
About time.
Looks great, Mikey.
I'm starving.
So good. Thank you, my son.
I told you, perfection. I'm an artiste. The Michelangelo of pizza. Wait a minute.
Okay, guys, time to go. We've got bad guys to hunt.
But
You can have more pizza later, Mikey.
More? Father?
Wise man say, you snooze, you lose.
Man, I totally hate wise men.
Outstanding work. Now get ready for your next challenge.
Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Mutants in Manhattan. You can get on the PS4 anywhere you feel like is reliable to get games. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stick around for the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and keep on gaming. See you guys next time.